Hi friends, welcome to Option Trading Ki Duniya. In this brand new episode, let me bring before you the Nifty and Banknifty analysis for the trading day, 30th July 2024. Before I proceed with my presentation and views, let me tell my viewers that this content is for educational purpose only. Those who are trading using the analysis kindly take the help of the certified investment professional. Now, first let me come to the Nifty. So as you can see on the screen, Nifty you can see the latest candle. So if you're seeing the candle, let me put the pen. Yeah. So you can see now currently Nifty is at around 24,850. So the pivot is, so let me place my pen here. So now let me mark. So this is the pivot. So pivot is around 24,870, and the first resistance is around 24,965. Now the first support is marked here. The pivot lines 24,740. As you can observe that the central pivot range is very narrow. So you can see this is very narrow considered to the broad range yesterday. So which means that today market is going to be sideways. So market is going to be sideways. So you have to trade very carefully today. Market is sideways. All the option buyers have to be careful because today is going to be a premium eating day. So therefore, be careful with your option strategies. So now the market is trading around 24,858 around. So this is trading below the pivot. So that is 24,870 is the pivot. So now what I suggest to you that you only can buy Nifty if it convincingly breaks 24,870. So you can buy a call only if Nifty convincingly breaks 24,870, and you may have a target around 24,965. That is the first resistance. So the chances of Nifty breaking 24,870 convincingly are very less. But if it breaks convincingly and moves forward, you can get another 90 to 100 points. See, on the downside, there is also a chance that if the Nifty is not moving above the pivot, there is a chance that it can fall to the resistance, that is 24,800. So today Nifty will be in the range. So I'll mention the range is 24,965 on the upper side and 24,800 is the downside. The chances of Nifty hitting the downside are very the probability of hitting downside, that is 24,800 or more. So that is the view on Nifty. So now let me come to the Bank Nifty. So Nifty Bank, let me go. So here is Nifty Bank. So Nifty Bank is convincingly trading. It's convincingly trading below the pivot. Now it is trading at around 51,549, and Bank Nifty is comparatively stronger than yesterday. You can see the level is higher, stronger than yesterday, and it is trading positively. Yeah, with around 89 to 100 points up. Now, what should be your view? Since yesterday the market opened high and then there was a sell-off. Today it is trading below the pivot. So chances that if the bear run continues, uh, we can get a level up to 50,948. Another 400 to 500 lower. That is not today possible. If it falls, the support is around 50,948. And if it convincingly goes above, that is 51,644, where the pivot is placed, you can see a level of 52,100. So since the market trend is neutral today, so chances that it is falling below 50,948 or 52,100 going above it are not possible. So this is the Bank Nifty view. Market is going to be neutral today. So the chances of option buyers making money is less. So now come to the open interest analysis. So let me go to open interest. First, so I'm using Sensible for my open interest analysis. You can see the Nifty open interest for the current expiry. You can see here. So, So I come to this. So this is where the level, that is 24,450. You can see there is a highest call rating. Call it 25,000. 25,000 is going to be very big resistance, and you can see highest put rating on the lower side is 24,800. So the market will be in a range between 24,800 to 25,000, and you can see there is call rating at around 24,900. 24,900 taking out also will be very difficult. Yeah, and even there is call rating, significant call rating around 24,800. So mostly the open interest analysis is suggesting, if I remove this, that market may go lower, that is 24,800, because from 24,800 you can see 24,900, 25,000, the call rating is higher. Okay, so this is for Nifty. Let me come to Bank Nifty. So I'll remove this. So Bank Nifty I will put here. Suppose if I put Bank Nifty. So you can see the open interest in Bank Nifty. There is high call rating at around 51,500. So 51,500 is very big resistance, and also you can see on the lower side 51,000. Even the pivot points also suggesting the same thing. So market will be between 51,000 to 51,500, and highest pain is there at around 51,500, which is the current level. If it takes out this, there is a high chance that it can reach 52,000. Yeah. On the lower side, there is put rating at all the levels, you can see, but highest put rating is around 51,500. So this is the Bank Nifty view based on open interest. So if you are trading Bank Nifty, it will be around 51,500. The chances that it's falling to 51,000, there is a chance. If it breaks 51,500 convincingly, if it breaks 51,500 on the upside, it can reach 52,000. So this is the view for Bank Nifty. So trade accordingly, take your positions. Yeah, this is for educational purpose only. So thank you for viewing this episode. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.